Wagwan, me there again once more, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Big up, see? Alright, so in this video, I am going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media. Alright, you can also let me know what you think about these videos as well. Alright, so first things first. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between two persons. The video shows one of those persons wearing a police uniform, and I want you to listen to some words that a certain amount of persons said in the video and tell me what they think about their behavior. Alright? Anyway, so I'm going to tell you what I think as well after I present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, so here's the video. Look, listen and observe for yourself.
Just relax, man. Just calm down, man. Just calm down. Brother, cool, man. Just relax. The both of us can back it up. You can't feel that. Yes, man. Just relax, man. Just relax, man. Cool, man. Just relax. Just relax, man. I want to. Cool. Fool, man. You're fool, too. Hey, can't back yourself. You come to thank you this time.
Yeah?
What we said to you? Warrior, I'm just saying, come here and talk with you. Police in here. And you can't back it. Because there's no embarrass you.
Wow. Alright, the people, so here's what I think about that video, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, someone brought the video to my attention, and in my point of view, I think that the person who you can see in the video wearing police uniform and also was involved in the confrontation was somewhat calm. You know what I mean? Yeah, I think that that person was somewhat calm. You know, but you can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? I'm not sure what started that confrontation, but that confrontation seems somewhat heated in my point of view. Alright, so on to another video now. See? Now I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I want you to look and listen to this video carefully and tell me what you think about this video. Alright? So in my point of view, this video shows at least one toilet, and the video shows a person as well. See? And I want you to listen carefully to some words that a person said in this video and tell me what you think. See? You can tell me if you think the person was trying to make a point by doing this video. And if you think the person was trying to make a point by doing this video, tell me what point you think the person was trying to make. You understand me? Now, please bear in mind that in this video you can hear harsh language, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Yeah, man, come on firing, man. Come now. That's it. Yeah, come on firing, man. We're kill them bomb. That's it. See this? Snake this.
Listen up.
I'm gonna be unclad this now. Water splash everywhere. Come on, fire. Hold on. Come now. Sit down now. Boom bang! One in your brain. Watch out, all of them. Since yesterday this clog up, and then I know if you fix it. A plunger, I think plunger gonna work. You have to sneak it. Come on, fire, man. Water everywhere, watch out. You have to rub that out and put my hand in there and rub it out now.
But people, let me tell you something. You see, I respect anyone who just tell it like it is. You see what I say? I know that certain things is not suitable to put out in the public. But when it comes down to someone who just show you certain things and I tell you certain things, I respect those kind of persons. You understand? Yeah, man, now hide certain things and pretty up. No, try to make things look like it is what it might not be or what it might not be. So you understand what I say? Yes, so tell me what you think about that video. I tell me what you think about those words that the person said. Yes, so I say viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, I got the understanding that there are more than one pieces of videos circulating on social media about a person who had been shot and killed. Now, according to information that I got, it is said that the person had been shot and killed by police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Now, to my knowledge, information about the situation are somewhat sketchy. However, I got the understanding that the necessary authorities are aware of the situation and an investigation had been launched into the situation, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, one of the videos that I saw shows a person laying on the ground and you could see that person moving for a certain amount of time, viewers and subscribers. The video also shows a certain amount of persons wearing uniforms and the video also shows a certain amount of persons, each holding a gun. You can also hear explosions in the video, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, quite a number of comments on social media gave me the understanding that some persons are thanking police, are congratulating police, and basically against what police had done and against how the person had been killed and other different type of reasons. You understand me? Some of those comments have me thinking. Yes, some of those comments have me thinking, viewers and subscribers. See, but let me point out something. The same way how a criminal can be arrested and charged for murder is the same way police can be arrested and charged for murder. See? So it is said that the man had been shot and killed by police. See? My question is, why? Because some things happen at the video that have me thinking. And if you want to know what I'm talking about, you can ask me certain questions in the comment section of the video. Alright, now listen to this now. Now I'm going to read some words from comments that have been made in a comment section of where at least one of those videos have been posted on social media about the incident. Alright, so listen carefully now. See? So one comment from someone said, "This is so sad. Really, we make fun at this horror." Alright, so another comment from someone basically said, "Great job, TTPS." Another comment from someone have words in it that basically said, "I trying to figure out what some of y'all seen in his hand. LOL, y'all good, yes? Clearly you can see an execution and the story gonna be the same as before. Thanks to the person who recorded, not glorifying bandits and criminals, but it have some officers who out here just to kill just like the criminals." Alright, so if I get more information about the situation, I might leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know if possible, or maybe I do another video. Who knows? You understand? But I just give information according to I got information. And with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I saw more than one pieces of videos that have been recorded in Jamaica that shows a person who had been attacked and beaten by a group of persons. Now, some people might say that the person had been saved from something that some people within the country of Jamaica call jungle justice. Based on information that I got the understanding that the person who had been attacked and beaten by a group of persons from within the country of Jamaica had been accused of doing something bad to at least one person. However, I don't have confirmed information as to what exactly caused a group of persons to attack and beat that person, viewers and subscribers. And based on information that I got, and based on what I saw in at least one of those videos, I got the understanding that a person who was holding a firearm intervened and did whatsoever the person could in order to stop those group of persons from causing more damage to the person. So in my point of view, that person who you can see in at least one of those videos holding a firearm might have saved that person's life or saved the person from being injured more or beaten more, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, in my point of view, and based on what I saw and heard in at least one of those videos, I assume that at least one person called the person who you can see in the video holding a firearm officer. So, for you to get a better understanding about the situation, I'm going to present a piece of one of those videos that I saw to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, I want to please bear in mind that this piece of video shows a person who had been attacked by a group of persons, and the video also shows when at least one object had been thrown at the person who had been attacked and beaten by a group of persons. Remember, the video shows a person holding a firearm. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Hey, officer, Just easy up, easy up, man.
Relax, man.
He might do work, so you have to do with it. He might do work.
There's also a video that shows the injured person in the back of a police service motor vehicle. Now, one thing with me, Dancehall Skilla, I will not give you wrong information on purpose. That will not happen. See? And if I get unconfirmed information, I'm going to tell you. Alright? Because I got unconfirmed information as to what that person might have done to cause a group of persons to attack and beat that person. However, I would rather you leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video down below and ask me what I know, as I will leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know if possible. You see what I say? Let me know what you think, my people. I'm just giving you information according to how I got information. Alright, those videos had been recorded in Jamaica that I'm talking about. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up, respect and manners to each and every one. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.